everybody. It's Missy with Jake and Me Van Life. Hey, before we get going on with this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and my continued subscribers that have been with me from the beginning and those who've joined us in the middle of this time. Thank you so much. I'm almost at 200. I never thought I'd even get to 100, to be honest, because I started out doing this for my grandkids and my kids. And then I started getting subscribers and people liking it. And I just decided, well, we'll just keep going on. Don't worry about it. Now I'm thrilled. I'm having a ball doing these videos, but it makes me happy reading your comments. I love your comments, especially when they're positive. And I've been very fortunate. All my comments have been positive and rewarding to me. So thank you so much for taking the time to comment and like and subscribe. It means the world to me and to Jake too. If you don't know, Jake is my cat, and Jake travels everywhere with me, and we love van life. We've been doing it 2 years now. So what is this video about? This video is about, remember that 17-hour cabinet creation that Theresa and I had to spend doing, and it was very painful. It was long. It took 2 days and 17 hours, and we were exhausted and a lot of pain afterwards. We had to really recuperate. Well, I planned to put a sink on that cabinet, but it needed a new countertop because I had planned to use the old countertop, but it turns out this cabinet was 2 inches wider than the one before. So I had to buy a new cabinet or new piece of wood to make my own countertop, a lot less money. So I went to Lowe's yesterday and I bought a beautiful piece of wood. And today I sanded it already just to get the dust off, the sanding dust on it and all, not a hard sand. I did it by hand with a sponge. It's a 220 grit sanding sponge. Boy, that was easy too. The last time I did a cabinet top or countertop, I kind of just sanded it all down, the edges, and I didn't do a good job at all. That's the one in my kitchen countertop right now. I'll have to show you sometime. I didn't do a great job. So I've learned from that one. So this time I am taking my time. I got some advice from the Lowe's paint department, and I'm just really excited about this. Now, I haven't cut the hole out of it for the sink. I'm waiting until I get my sink. And after spending what I thought was only going to be about 20, 25 bucks on this countertop, boy, was I crazy. The actual piece of wood was $20.98 at Lowe's. It's a beautiful piece of wood. And the funny thing is, it's the exact measurements I needed for this countertop. So I bought it thinking, woohoo, I'm getting off good. Until I went to Walmart and bought the stain, the polyurethane, the polyacrylic for the top coat, the stain brush, the polyurethane brush, whatever, came to $82 total for this countertop. So my sink is going to have to wait until next payday or until I get back from the trip. I'm not sure. I may do it while I'm on the trip. Not sure yet. Anyhow, I have to get the sink. I'm excited. So hopefully either while I'm on the trip or when I get back, I'll have the sink all installed. I have to get my gray tank, my good tank, gray tank, clear tank, water tank, and then all the hoses. So I'm expecting there's going to be another 125 bucks probably around there. So that's going to wait till next payday. May have to wait a payday and a half, like 2 paydays. I'm not sure yet because we're going to be on the road. So we're going to be spending a lot of gas money. I thought I would show you where I'm at and how beautiful this is going to be. So let's see what I'm working on right now. I'm excited to show you. So I've already sanded it with this 220 grit sanding bar or sponge, whatever you want to call it. And I've got my first coat of stain on, and it's an almond or light almond stain. And it's beautiful. I'm so excited. So it has the first stain on and the only stain because I love this color. I don't want to make it any darker. So after this dries, it says 2 hours, but I'm going to give it 3 hours. And then I'm going to put the polyurethane on. Now this will need 2 to 3 coats. And the guy at Lowe's told me he used to do floors. So what do you think? I love that color. I mean, it's beautiful. So he knows his stuff about, staining and stuff like that. So he told me I should leave 2 days between drying, but it's not going to be done by the time we leave if I have to do that. So I figure I'll put the first polyurethane on, I'll let it dry for 2 days, maybe a day and a half. Then I'll put a second coat and that one will dry. So that should be 3.5 days. We're leaving in 6 days. So after the polyurethane has two really good coats on, then I'm going to put, and I've never used this before. So